so we got Yeezy 350. We're not talking cream white. We're not even talking zebra. We're talking butter. See what's up. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here again, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. But I have a special unboxing treat for you guys today. So for all my Yeezy fans out there, all my 350 fans, we are unboxing the Yeezy 350 Butter. So this butter colorway has yet to release. Of course, here at Stadium Goods, we got them for you early. So we have the 350 box we got right here, box top. And let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite 350 out of the group? You like this new butter? You like the cream white? You like the zebra? Let me know and leave it in the comments. But we have the 350 Yeezy Butter. So if you guys look at the upper here, fully tonal throughout. It's kind of like a soft yellow colorway, which hence the name Butter. We have the yellow laces that come right here. We have the 3 stripes that are located at the back pull tab on the inner panel right there. And as I mentioned before, prime knit throughout the entire upper of this entire shoe. We get to the outsole, fully tonal once again with this butter colorway and the butter plastic overlay above the boost that you'll find on the midsole. So I want to say, excuse me, the outsole. So this outsole, as I'm looking at it, it kind of is it's slightly darker than the midsole, if you guys can see the difference there. And it looks like a gum midsole, but it's actually a little bit lighter than a gum midsole. And of course, we've got the boost right there, famous to the Yeezy 350, and the boost hit right here on the back heel of the outsole. Insert right here, we've got the adidas and the Yeezy logo. Lastly, here you go, the Yeezy 350 Butter. So, as you know at Stadium Goods, we got a variety of Yeezy styles, so let us know in the comments what's your favorite 350, what's your favorite 750. We going with the butter, we going with the cream white, zebra, frozen yellow. There's a variety of them, but they are all available here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up from 12 to 8. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Visit stadiumgoods.com for any questions or inquiries that you guys may have in regards to Stadium Goods pricing or whatever it may be. And lastly, please, please, please like, share, and subscribe to all of our videos on YouTube and on Facebook, and follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. I am Fresco BK, and salud.